Good evening, folks. My name is Chi Baker, and I am the owner and clinical supervisor for Creating Balanced Pathways, which is a mental health and addictions counseling service. I'm also the owner and chief instructor for Street Tactical Integrations, which is a martial arts school that focuses on both internal and external martial arts. And we have created a curriculum which is Be Strong, Stay Safe, part of the Changing Tides Women's Defensive Tactics System. And this particular program focuses on young women who will be soon entering college life and or moving away from home. And the reason why this curriculum has been created was that this is a fairly moderate to high risk population, particularly for sexual assaults, and that to help educate and train young women to be able to manage threatening high risk situations, particularly with men, in order to avoid altogether potential sexual assaults, or if they find themselves in a situation of a sexual assault, on how to manage it and escape. And the statistics are pretty astounding in terms of reportedly 1 out of every 4 females in the United States will be sexually assaulted. And this number goes up to about 65% of who actually do get sexually assaulted. And based out of some information actually and studies out of Canada, what they found is that women who use one method of self-defense have a 60 to 65% chance of successfully escaping. And women who use 2 methods have an 80% chance of escaping. And so we obviously want young women to be able to successfully stay safe and escape encounters that are potentially lifelong traumatic. And so the curriculum here really looks at a number of different factors. We look at these women's self-concept, we looked at their confidence, we look at self-esteem and self-worth, we look at how and what they want out of relationships with men. We identify high-risk situations, particularly on college campuses. We look at identifying characteristics and behaviors of men who are of greater potential to sexually assault women. We teach a number of self-defense protection skills in order to manage an attack, and looking at how to escape in these situations safely. And we also have a lot of take-home discussions that hopefully students, these young women, will take home and talk to their parents, their mom and their dad, or whatever caregivers they have around, and also peers, and have this conversation become really a part of their repertoire, and keep the information fresh and keep the skills fresh, so that when they do enter college and are living in college and faced with these situations, that they will be able to manage them effectively, and as well as potentially help others in these situations to prevent them from happening. So this program, Be Strong, Stay Safe, is really developed to empower these young women on this voyage to college and out of the home. And hopefully this ability to manage situations, to learn these skills, will overall boost confidence, boost awareness, mindfulness, look at be able to identify early on hazards and situations, and to be able to get out of them before anything actually happens, and in the unfortunate case that something does shake down, that they are able to successfully manage them and escape. So this has been developed as a 2-part series. Each workshop is 4 hours, and the curriculum flows from one part to the next, and so it is vital to take both parts. We're actually also going to be offering a 3rd part during the summer, so that right before these young women do go off to college, to refresh some of this information and refresh some of the physical skills, the self-defense stuff, and so that it's fresh and clear in the mind, and to be utilized as they move onward and outward. So we are super excited. My assistant instructor is Jessica Blaschke, and she is a licensed mental health practitioner. She has also graduated the Dacascos Tactical Systems, which is an 11-month intensive self-protection program that I'm the head instructor in, and she's actually the first female to ever complete the course, so that's pretty astounding. And she's going to be assistant instructing in this course and being able to add her own wisdom, insights, experience, and skills to this seminar. So we are both really excited and looking forward to having you be a part of it. And I do think that it is, as I am a parent, and encourage other parents to take our responsibilities of facilitating these types of programs to keep our children safe. So I'm excited to see you and to be a part of this program. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is creatingbalance42@yahoo.com. I also have a Facebook page, a Facebook page, Street Tactical Integrations, and a website, creatingbalancepathways.com. So you can find me in multiple areas, and I again look forward to helping these young women be strong and stay safe. Take care.